Hey everyone, this is the instructional video for the activity number 3. Now for this activity, you could or is part of your AMCO book. It's not 100% that you need the book. However, I already sent the picture of the page from the book. Now, in this case, it would be working on page 27, which is this one right here. Again, I already sent document. I already sent a picture of this. And what you're going to do is what we're going to work on is we're going to work only on this section right here. We're not going to do this one and this one or this one. We're not going to do this ones because this is something that you have to do in the classroom. And since we're not in the classroom right now, there's no point on doing this ones. Right? Now, if you're asking yourself, why did we skip this page? Is because this page requires an audio, and sadly I cannot get the audio for you guys, and it will be very complicated for you to download it if I got it. So we're going to skip all the audio's text activities because it's something that we need to do in the classroom. And we're gonna go with this one straight up to this part in specific. Now this part, what you're going to do, if you have the book, you do it right here. If you don't have the book, then you can copy this little section right here and then just put the perfect place. So your title is going to be this one, and then you just put this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Now, you don't need the squares, but if you want to put the squares almost the same size as these ones. Now this one, we're going to do a little bit different because we're not in the classroom, so we're not going to do it specifically about working with a partner and whatever. But what I want you guys to do is to continuing the idea of your perfect vacation. Remember from the activity number 1 and activity number 2? Now, continuing with the perfect vacation, I want you guys to look at these words. We have beach, mountain, big city, and we have historical places. Now, I think you already know what these three mean, right? If not, look it up, right? Historical places is a place where something of history happened, It's a national landmark. For example, Tijuana historical place would be Revolution Street, no? Avenida Revolución. Because it's a place that had events from the past. So what you're going to do in those little squares right there, or if you don't have it on a separate page, is you're going to draw. You're going to actually make a drawing of such place if you went on vacation. If you went on vacation, what would you like to see in these places, right? So draw me that and put it right there. You can put it on a separate page as well. As long as you put, the title right here, and then you put the subtitles over there, and you put page 27, that's enough, all right? So make a drawing according to the places, the beach, the mountains, big city, historical places, if you are on vacation, all right? And that's going to be activity number 3.